Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about environmental friendly, or basically this topic is about environment, our alam sekitar. Okay, for the first one, for set induction, try to look at all these pictures down here. Okay, you can get all these in the link given in this video. Alright, the first one A, okay, look at the picture. And then B, C, do you recognize this logo? D, have you ever seen this anywhere? Alright, here is E. This is if you see this is like a fan here, okay? And then F, the elephant. G, look at this. The trees are being cut down. Okay. H, okay. I, J, this one looks like a factory, smoke from the factory. K, very dry area here. There's some water and then very dry area. L, the animals. M, okay, look at the picture, water here and then slash here. And last one, N, this is a symbol for something. Alright, these are the phrases. You have to match the words or expressions to the pictures. The first one is water pollution. Which one here shows water pollution? Water pollution means water is air, pollution means pencemaran. So which one has water pollution? Okay, could be somewhere here. Alright. Acid rain. Acid rain is a type of rain that is very acidic, which is not good for your health. The only picture of the rain here is this one. Next one, alternative energy. Energy means tenaga, alright? So alternative energy means maybe we don't use electric from, maybe we don't use fossil fuel. We use this alternative one here, like this, windmill, alright? We call this a windmill. Greenhouse effect, kesan rumah hijau. When we have a greenhouse effect, which one is more suitable? Greenhouse effect is related to global warming. Warm, very warm. Alright, next one is recycling. I think you have seen this symbol before, recycling. Another one is air pollution. Like water pollution, pollution means pencemaran, air means udara. It could come from the factory. Endangered species, okay, binatang yang terancam. Solar panels, if you have seen this on the roof somewhere, solar panels. Nuclear power, which carries a symbol of nuclear here. Next one is deforestation. Deforestation is the act of cutting down trees. Ice melting here. Habitat means place to live. We usually call this for the animals. What are the habitat of the animals? And last one, drought. Very dry here. We get a long summer, no rain, and we have drought. Okay? So these are some of the words related to environment. Okay. Next one, we will look at this small text. This short text about reduce, reuse, and recycle. I know you have learned this before, but let's just recap on your knowledge about reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is related to this symbol here. Okay? There are 3 ways to make the earth a greener place. Greener place, tempat yang lebih hijau. Okay? Reduce, reuse, and recycle. When people reduce, it means they are using less of something. Kurang. Okay? Dia kurangkan penggunaan. Using less of something. This means less waste. When we use less, we will produce less waste. Waste is bahan buangan, the garbage, the trash. We use less, so we have less garbage. And then turning off the water when we brush our teeth is a way of reducing. So let's see. Okay, you try to think of how you brush your teeth every day. Did you leave the tap water or the tap open? Did you leave the tap, okay, the tap water running when you brush your teeth? If yes, it's a very wasteful. So you need to reduce, turn it off. We don't waste water by doing this. Reusing is to use the things we already have again. Okay, next one is reusing. Use the things we already have. Again means one more time. We use it one more time. We can use reusable shopping bags made of cloth, kain, alright, piece of cloth, and then they turn it into a bag instead of plastic bags when we go to a supermarket. Using both sides of the paper is also a way of reusing. This is a good point. When you write something, you still have the blank side at the back of the paper. So it's better if you use it. Use both sides. Okay. Finally, we can recycle. Recycling is to create new materials from old ones. Recycle, reuse, you reuse it again, but recycle, you change it into new things. Okay. Materials like paper, plastic, and metal can be recycled. You can recycle the things like newspapers, soda cans, plastic containers, and magazines. If you see around your neighborhood, you might have seen the different types of recycling bins. Okay, the different color of the bins. If we want to live in a green and clean world, we must take care of our world. Right, after this, you just click on the answers here. Which one you think is the answers for the questions? It's a very simple question here. What is the title? You have the title. The next one, the meaning of reduce. Okay, you use it again. You use it less. You make new or you use more. More means lebih banyak. Okay, how you reduce water and what you should do when you go to the market if you want to reuse. Gunakan semula. And then what do you call if you want to create new things, new materials from the old ones? And what kind of materials can you recycle? Just click on the answers here. And when you click finish, make sure you click here, email my answers to my teacher and send it to my email address. Alright, last one. Fill in the blank with correct statement on how to apply 3R in daily life. So we have 10 things here. This red part is for reduce, the blue part is for reuse, and the green part is for recycle. There are hints here of the pictures. Okay. Like the example here, do not throw any kitchen waste into the recycle bin. Do not throw away. Jangan buang any kitchen waste, whatever waste you have from your kitchen, lebihan makanan, into the recycle bin. Alright, this part is for recycle. Because why? These things here, the kitchen waste, cannot be recycled. Only certain things can be recycled. Right, next one. Orange bin for aluminium or steel can and plastic. So orange bin. Okay, I show you another example. So when we talk about steel can, 18. Okay, bekas 18. So we have this. Find creative ways to reuse items. Okay, use cloth bag kain for shopping. Use lunch box for takeaway. Okay, this is how the picture of cloth bag, and then use lunch box for takeaway. Takeaway is when you tapao something. All right. Sometimes when you go, if you want to buy some food, you might want to have it takeaway. So instead of using the polystyrene, okay, you can bring your own lunch box. This is what we call Tupperware. You can bring your own Tupperware to the restaurant. Turn off the water tap when it is not used. Water tap means air pipe. Use a bicycle or walk whenever possible. Brown bin for glass. Turn off lights and unplug electrical appliances. So you turn off the lights and unplug electrical appliances. Unplug means you cabut plug dia tu, you take it off from the power socket. Electrical appliances means barangan electric. Blue bin for paper, egg cartons for arts and egg cartons for arts and crafts. Okay. Usually when your parents buy eggs, they usually have that the reusable cartons that you can use to do crafts. Okay, so you match all these, bring it to the suitable pictures. Okay, this is just introduction for the topic of environment and how you can save the environment with these simple things in your daily life. All right, thank you.